Is the S23 Ultra still a worthy contender for your hard-earned cash? Or has its time in the spotlight faded? Stick around to find out. We'll break down everything from its design and display to its camera and battery life, giving you the insights you need to make an informed decision. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The S23 Ultra boasts a sleek and modern look that still feels premium in the hand. Its build quality is top-notch with a sturdy frame and a beautiful glass back. The display is another highlight. With a stunning AMOLED screen, it offers vibrant colors and sharp resolution, making it perfect for media consumption and gaming. The camera system is versatile and powerful, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos in various lighting conditions. Whether you're a casual shooter or a photography enthusiast, the S23 Ultra won't disappoint. Battery life is solid, easily lasting a full day with moderate to heavy use. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can quickly top up when needed. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra still a contender in late 2024? Absolutely. It remains a strong choice for those seeking a high-end smartphone with excellent performance features and The S23 Ultra boasts a design language that's unmistakably Samsung. From the moment you hold it, you can feel the attention to detail and the premium materials used in its construction. It's sleek, modern, and exudes a sense of premium quality. The seamless integration of glass and metal not only looks stunning but also feels incredibly solid in the hand. The curved display and minimal bezels create an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing, the edge-to-edge screen draws you in, making every interaction feel more engaging. Samsung hasn't made significant design changes since its release. Durability is key. The S23 Ultra is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring it remains a reliable companion over time. The S23 Ultra features Gorilla Glass Victus 2, protecting against scratches and drops. This advanced glass technology ensures that your device stays looking pristine even after accidental bumps and scrapes. Its IP68 rating ensures resistance against dust and water. Whether you're caught in the rain or accidentally drop it in water, the S23 Ultra is designed to handle it all without missing a beat. This phone is built to last, even after months of use. The robust construction and high-quality materials mean that it can endure the wear and tear of everyday life while still performing at its best. The iconic S Pen Silo remains a signature feature of the Ultra lineup. This built-in stylus is perfect for taking notes, drawing, or navigating the device with precision. This integrated stylus adds a layer of functionality that few competitors can match. It transforms the S23 Ultra into a versatile tool for both work and play, enhancing productivity and creativity. Overall, the S23 Ultra's design and build remain impressive, showcasing Samsung's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. It's a device that not only meets but exceeds expectations, setting a high standard in the smartphone industry. The S23 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, which is one of the best in the market today. This display is not just large, but it also offers an immersive viewing experience that is hard to match. With a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, scrolling and animations are buttery smooth. This means that whether you're browsing through your social media feed, playing games, or simply navigating through your apps, everything feels incredibly fluid and responsive. This phone truly shines when it comes to visual fidelity. The high resolution ensures that every detail is crisp and clear, making it perfect for watching videos, viewing photos, or even reading text. Colors are vibrant and punchy, while blacks are deep and inky, thanks to the AMOLED technology. This makes everything on the screen look more lifelike and engaging, whether you're watching a movie or playing a game. HDR content really pops on this display, offering a cinematic viewing experience. The enhanced contrast and wider color gamut make HDR videos look stunning, with more detail in both the bright and dark areas of the image. Even in direct sunlight, the S23 Ultra's display remains visible and easy to use. This is thanks to its high brightness levels and advanced display technology, which ensure that you can see everything clearly, no matter how bright it is outside. This is crucial for those who use their phones outdoors frequently. Whether you're taking photos, navigating with GPS, or just checking your messages, you won't have to struggle to see your screen. The high peak brightness ensures that you can enjoy your content no matter the lighting conditions. Whether you're in a dimly lit room or out in the bright sun, the S23 Ultra's display adapts to provide the best possible viewing experience. This makes it a versatile device that performs well in any situation, ensuring that you always get the best visual experience possible. Powering the S23 Ultra is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This was a powerhouse at launch, but how does it fare in late 2024? The answer is, still very well. Day-to-day tasks from browsing to social media are handled with ease. Apps launch quickly and multitasking is a breeze thanks to the ample RAM. Gaming performance is also impressive. The S23 Ultra can handle demanding titles smoothly, even at higher graphical settings. While newer chipsets may offer incremental performance gains, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 remains a highly capable processor. For most users, the S23 Ultra will deliver a smooth and responsive experience. The S23 Ultra packs a serious camera setup. Its 200-megapixel main sensor captures an incredible amount of detail. Samsung's image processing has always been top-notch, and that holds true here. Photos are sharp, colors are accurate, and dynamic range is impressive. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses offer versatility. You can capture expansive landscapes or zoom in on distant subjects with ease. However, the competition hasn't stood still. Newer flagships released in 2024 boast improved camera hardware and software. Low-light performance in particular is an area where some competitors have pulled ahead. The S23 Ultra packs a sizable battery. With moderate use, you can easily get through a full day on a single charge. However, heavy users, especially those who push the camera and display to their limits, might find themselves reaching for the charger before the day is done. Battery degradation is a factor to consider. After months of use, you might notice a slight decrease in battery life. Charging speeds are fast thanks to Samsung's 45-watt wired charging technology. You can top up the battery quickly when needed. Wireless charging is also supported, offering convenience for overnight charging. The S23 Ultra runs on Samsung's One UI, layered over Android 13. One UI has matured into a polished and feature-rich software experience. It's highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the look and feel to your preferences. Samsung has a good track record of providing software updates. The S23 Ultra is expected to receive several years of Android updates, ensuring that you have access to the latest features and security patches. Samsung has continued to refine One UI since the S23 Ultra's launch. You can expect a smooth and snappy software experience even in late 2024. At launch, the S23 Ultra commanded a premium price. However, as newer flagships have hit the market, its price has become more competitive. You can often find it at a discount, making it a more enticing proposition. Compared to other flagship models available in late 2024, the S23 Ultra offers a compelling value proposition. It excels in several areas, including display, performance, and camera quality. If you're looking for a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank, the S23 Ultra is definitely worth considering. While the S23 Ultra remains a solid contender, it's essential to consider the alternatives. Newer flagships from Google, OnePlus, and Xiaomi offer compelling features and performance. Some of these newer models boast improved camera systems, faster processors, and even more innovative features. It's crucial to weigh the pros and cons of each device and determine which best aligns with your needs and budget. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra still worth it in late 2024? The answer, like most things in tech, is it depends. It remains a fantastic phone with a stunning display, powerful performance, and a very capable camera system. If you're not chasing the absolute latest specs and want a premium experience at a potentially more attractive price, the S23 Ultra is still a very viable option. However, if you prioritize having the bleeding edge of technology, including the best possible camera performance, newer flagships might be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your individual needs, priorities, and budget. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in late 2024? Would you still consider buying it, or have you moved on to newer devices? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks for watching.